Hi guys, topic today is about typography. I'll show you how to type text in a circle. Let's get started. First of all, create a new document. Follow these settings: width 1440, height 1440, resolution 100, color mode RGB, background content white, then create. Pick up Ellipse tool, make sure to choose path. Move cursor in the center of the document. We'll draw a perfect circle by hold Alt, Shift and drag out. Just stop when you think it's enough. Change to horizontal text. Choose your favorite font, then move cursor right to the circle until you can see the text icon appears. Click to the circle and now you can type any text within the circle. Pick up direct selection tool. There are two dots in the circle. Choose one of them, click and rotate to move the text. Now, let's duplicate this text by right-click to the text layer and select duplicate layer. Okay. Normally, the duplicate layer will overlap the old one, so use direct selection tool to review it. You can also click and drag the text from outside to inside the circle. In case you want to adjust the size of the circle, right-click to the circle, choose Free Transform Path. Just click to the corner and expand or scale the circle down as you want it. Let's change the text below with horizontal text. You can customize text by going to Window, Character. In Character window, you can do whatever you want to the text about size, height, spacing, underline, etc. Feel free to try one by one to have a deep insight to each option. Alright, that's all about create text in circle. If you like Photoshop and photograph just like SADESIGN and you want to get more and more tips, techniques, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel to simply clicking the subscribe button and you will get tons of free tutorials that SADESIGN share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis.